At around 10 years of age, young males reach sexual maturity. They shall then take a stand on a nest and start trying to attract a mate, and they mate for life. So if an albatross can live 60 years, they don't want to just waste it on anyone. After all, it's a relationship that lasts longer than most human marriages. It's a bit of bill fencing, let me tab my bills together. Once the pair start getting into it, more and more try to join the party. This is one of the most elaborate courtship rituals in the animal kingdom. After what can be years of courting, the albatross mates are finally ready to take their next step.